Welcome to our House Healthy Life Chanel. Potassium is an important key to boosting your energy, endurance, and strength. In this video, we're going to talk about why athletes need more potassium in their diet. Your body has something called the sodium-potassium pump in each of your cells. This pump helps maintain the electrical gradient of the cell, keeping potassium inside the cell and sodium outside the cell. Essentially, it helps keep your cells charged up. Your cells act like batteries that activate nerves and muscles. If you're deficient in potassium, you will feel weaker, because your muscles won't be able to relax and contract as well as they need to. This can lower your endurance and performance as an athlete. A lot of the focus of sports health is on sodium. However, you need about twice the amount of potassium as you do sodium. Try adding more greens and potassium-rich foods to your diet over a couple of days. Observe how much energy, strength, endurance, and muscle tone you have during your workouts. Then, restrict your potassium intake and notice what happens to your strength. I'm willing to bet that you'll feel a significant difference between having plenty of potassium and having not enough potassium. There are two ways to help improve your potassium level. The first is to increase your potassium intake by eating plenty of healthy vegetables or taking supplements. The second is to avoid foods that deplete potassium. Refined carbohydrates and sugars can deplete the potassium in your body. When done right, the healthy keto diet is a great tool for maintaining healthy nutrient levels. However, as you first start keto, you can experience a drop in potassium levels due to losing body fat. Stored glucose contains water and electrolytes, which is why losing weight can deplete your body of potassium. You can use an electrolyte powder to help combat these effects. Before you go, if you benefiting any my content, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Then you can get notification about my next important video.